Welcome to my creative thinking workshop. This course is filled with different exercises to help improve your creativity through drawing, writing, and the environment around you. Creativity is not just for artists. Creativity can enrich your life, help you problem solve, and is even therapeutic for your mental well-being. My name's Tatiana Ambrose, and I'll be your instructor in this course. I am an award-winning creative artist that has won multiple awards and had my art featured in calendars, pamphlets, church announcements, and school plays. So by the end of this workshop, you'll have pages upon pages filled with different creative ideas from completing these different exercises. This course is designed to first give you a creative thinking exercise so you can take some time and complete it. And then in the next lecture, I will follow up with my own personal results for that specific exercise, so you will never get stuck. This course is for anyone creative that is stuck or looking for further creative inspiration. Remember, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you literally have nothing to lose. Go ahead, check out the free preview lectures to get a feel for this course, and then click that enroll button and let's start improving your life through creativity today.